If you're doing even one of these 5 habits, you're already messing up your face. Right now, no warning, no sign, just slow damage stacking every single day. And by the time you notice, it's already done. So watch carefully and fix this. First, phone face. Your phone isn't just wasting your time, it's reshaping your face. Head down, neck bent, jaw loose. That's how you sit for hours, and your face adapts to it. Slowly, double chin builds, jawline fades, posture collapses. Even if you're lean, you still look weak. This is phone face. Look around, it's not bad genetics, it's bad posture on repeat. Fix it. Raise your phone to eye level. Keep your neck straight. Hold tension in your jaw, because whatever position you live in, your face becomes that. Second, mouth breathing. This one is dangerous, and almost nobody fixes it. You're breathing wrong, mouth open, air going in, and your face is slowly getting weaker. No tension in the jaw, no structure, no sharpness, just a tired, dull look. Nose breathing, that's control, that's structure. That's how your face stays tight, defined, alive. This isn't some trend. This is how your body is supposed to work. You keep your mouth open. Your face pays the price. Fix it. Close your mouth. Breathe through your nose all day. Walking, sitting, doing nothing, even when you're not thinking about it. Third, face touching. You blame your skin, but your habits are the problem. Hands to bacteria, to face to breakouts, again and again. You're literally transferring dirt into your pores, then wondering why your skin looks bad. Fix it. Stop touching your face. Simple rule. If your hands aren't clean, they don't go near your skin. Discipline clears skin, not products. 4. Bad sleep. You don't sleep properly and expect to look fresh. Doesn't work. Bad sleep shows instantly. Dark circles, puffy face, low energy eyes, and long-term, lower testosterone, worse skin, slower recovery. You don't just feel tired, you look weaker. Fix it. 7 to 8 hours. Same timing, and cut screens before bed, because your phone right now is aging your face faster than time. The last one, high stress. You think stress is just in your head? It's not. It shows up on your face. Tired eyes, dull skin, random breakouts. Here's what's really happening. Stress spikes cortisol, and cortisol wrecks your look. More fat, worse skin, lower testosterone. You don't just feel stressed. You look stressed, and people can see it, even if they don't say it. So fix it. Move your body, get sunlight, give your mind a break. Because if you don't control stress, it will control how you look. You don't need a glow up. You need to stop messing up your face daily. Fix your habits, your face fixes itself. Simple. If you want real stuff that actually works, hit subscribe.